Hey guys, don't forget, when you get a chance, please check out Blake's RC World on Facebook. You'll find the link below. Here you can find stuff on Blake and his little adventure with RCs and full-size cars also. And here's my cookies. I'm bringing the trailer, and I'm bringing the cookies with the trailer over there. Special delivery of cookies at the campground.
There's no corner marshals. Who needs those corner marshals? We want to drive and
I got no reverse though.
have fun.
Hey, what's your name?
So you can push back.
Wait.
Okay, Blake. And your dad works on RCs, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
He makes cool stuff. Yeah, that's the puppy. So he's gonna try the puppy. Just be careful of the people. Be careful of the people. Is it fun? Whoa! Be careful, don't go too close to the people. Oh, okay, go fix it. He's having a blast. Be careful, not too close to the rocks. Did we lose an eye? We lost an eye. Where's the other eye? Just hold on. So was it fun?
Yeah.
Cool. Blake had a blast. We lost an eye, but that's okay. I got some other ones at home.
What's this?
Oh yeah? Yeah. Bringing up some dust. Cool. Yeah, don't go too close to people. Okay, say bye to everybody.